Hi friends, welcome to Those Tutor. As per the previous video, we have seen that how to install Android Studio, and sometimes might be on your PC it will ask us to install the JDK version, that means Java. So what you have to do, you have to install the Java and set the environment variable. How to do that? I'll be guiding you in this video. Please stay with us till end of this video, and if you really like the video, please subscribe our channel, like on the video, and please share with your friends. Let's proceed. The first step, what you are going to do, you have to first download Java and install it. To download the Java, you can see that yes, you can search in Google, or I'll share the link in the video description. You just take it from the video description, go to this page. You can see there is a Java 18, Java 17. You can download the latest one, it will be better. And you have three options like Linux, Mac OS and Windows. Which operating system you are using, accordingly you just download. You can see that 64-bit installer. You can download the installer. Once you download, and before downloading, you make sure that you have the Oracle account. So it is free of cost. You can just sign up and have an account. So whenever you want to install or download the Java or any other software from Oracle website, must require login credential. So better create it now and have it. The moment you click on the login, it will ask you to log in. You can see that, or sometimes it won't ask. So I'll just directly download this. Once this download is get over, then you have to install it. So I have already installed. I'll just tell you the steps. So you can see here I'm using Windows 10 64-bit machine. You go to program files, just search Java. You can see here Java is there, and GRE and JDK 1.8 is already installed. So what I have to do, the first step is very important. You have to set the environment variable. So you go to JDK 1.8. You can see there is a bin directory. Go to the bin directory. Then you have to copy this link. So to set the environment variable, you need to copy this link. I'll copy this. Then search here environment. If you type env, automatically it will come to edit the system environment variable. Click on this, and you can see here there is an option called environment variables. Click on that. There is two things on this pop-up screen. You can see on the top, use your variable and system variable. So when you have a look in system variable, there is an option called path. So you have to click on this and click on edit. When you edit, you just see that if might be you have earlier configured the JDK path, then it's good. If it is not there, just open this link, click on new, and just paste the link of the bin directory and click on OK. This is the way we can set the path, Java path in environment variable. There is one more thing. Sometimes what happens with some machine, it will not accept it, will ask to add a new system variable. So what you have to do, you have to click on new. Here you have to give the variable name and you have to give the variable value. So here you are going to give in capital letter Java underscore home. So which is the home directory of Java. You can go to your bin folder. You make sure that you are not going to give the bin path. You have to open your JDK main path, that means JDK 1.4. This one you should not give bin. So I have copied link, paste here, click OK, and OK. So this way we can set the Android Java variable for Android Studio. Sometimes it asks the machine. Once it is done, then we are ready to proceed with the execution of your sample program. First, I'll teach how to create a sample program for Android application development. Then we'll proceed with the lab 1 program, which is just creating a application to design visiting card. So we'll see this one into the next session. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Do like on video. If you have any question, you can give in the comment section. We are happy to answer you. Thank you for watching.